wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Reza and this is my friend group Ihsan.
We will practice about buying and selling chairs and table.
Welcome.
Hi sir, do you sell the table and chairs for school here?
Yes, is there anything I can help you?
Yes, I need the table and chairs. Do you have?
Sure. How much do you want?
How much this price? One table and chairs?
Wait, sir.
Yes.
The price of the table is 500,000 rupiah and chair 200,000 rupiah.
Okay, I need 30 table and 16 chairs.
Okay, sir. Just a moment. I'll calculate it first. Please wait in here, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the total after adding, the table and the chair is 27 million rupiah. And because today is a National Education Day, our shop is giving you discount for your purchase.
Wow, that's good, sir.
The discount is 2%, so you only pay just 25 million rupiah.
Okay, can I pay using QRIS?
Of course, click first. Please scan this button, sir. Sir, the payment was successful. The bills will be sent by courier.
Okay, thanks, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you for shopping. Nice to meet you.
Okay.